Hi everyone and welcome back to the Lilac House. My name is Crystal and I am so glad you are here. In today's video, I have a special Dollar Tree haul video for you. This video is extra special because my daughter received a gift card to the Dollar Tree from her grandparents. And so we went to the Dollar Tree to spend her gift card today, and I let her have free range of the store and she picked out whatever she wanted. So I'm going to share that with you today. And I also am going to share a few other things that I purchased for us. I make a lot of videos about the Dollar Tree. I do Dollar Tree hauls and I love to make organizational videos with products I use from the Dollar Tree. I also love sharing recipes and I love sharing frugal living tips. Let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. Okay, as promised, I am first going to show you what my daughter picked out from the Dollar Tree. So if you ever take your kids and you say you can buy one thing or 5 things, it's always interesting to see what they buy from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes she'll buy those windmill flowers. Those are like her favorite things. Today is extra special. So first and foremost, she has been wanting wings. We already opened them up, but these are fairy wings. Noted, they do have glitter and they get everywhere, but this is a great collection to add to her dress up kit. She loves the tooth fairy, like loves it. So this is so fun. She looks so cute in them. The next thing she picked out was this mini color number unicorn book. We love unicorns. It's fun to see what she would want. The next thing she picked out was this wood shop unicorn. And we have a few of these and she loves them. We had some sailboats from the 4th of July celebration. The next thing she picked out were these. And she really wanted the Mickey Mouse one and then the LOL. So she got both of them, one for her and she got one for her sister. Okay, and then she picked out this cute little panda bear and a cupcake. It has little sequins in it so it moves. It's very cute and I thought it was cute that she picked it out. And I shared this in another video, in the fall video, but she picked out this ghost, and to go along with it we didn't have any white paint, so she also wanted white paint. And I said, this is part of your items, and she said, I know. So she picked these 2 things out. And last but not least, this cracked me up a lot, is she wanted an eye mask and she saw them at the Dollar Tree and she picked this one out. At the end she was saying that she wanted a cat one, but they didn't have cat ones, so she decided to still get this one. Those were the last of her items, and I got a few of my favorite items too. And I got some of these amazing white bins. I got 4 of them for an upcoming video, and I use these in my bathroom. Organize with me. I'll link the video below, but I love them, so I snatched 4 up just in case. And then I got one of these chalk pens. I've heard really good things about them. I'll let you know how they work out, but I bought one of those back to school things and I just want to fill in a few places, and I think that this will be better than using chalk, which is what I have. And you know I love buying things to give away at the Dollar Tree, and my neighbor is having a birthday, so I bought her a few things. She's a tween and I didn't really know what to buy, but I think this will work. So first of all, I bought a little pouch bag. This one's really pretty and floral. And then I bought some face masks. They had a lot of the Yes to Tomato face masks today. And this is a 3-in-1. And the first one is Calm. The second one is a charcoal mud mask. And the third one is a vitamin C glow boosting. And so you target different areas of your face. I'll have to read more about it, but they looked really fun. And then I got her 2 scrunchies. I got this cute one with the hearts, and it's a ponytail scrunchie. And then I got her a headband, and it's yellow. It's really pretty. Blair Waldorf, right? So for my neighbor as well, I bought her this lip balm, and it is a pineapple scented one. And then I snagged this. I saw this when I was doing my back to school haul and I didn't buy it, and I kept thinking about it for an upcoming video, and so I ran back to the store and I bought one of these. And this is for your locker, I think. It's a pencil holder, but I'm going to be using it for something else. So if you want to see, make sure you subscribe. And then I bought some new things. You know I love buying Epsom salt at the Dollar Tree, and this was one I had never seen before. It's a Spa Naturals Epsom salt, a purifying bath soak with activated charcoal. And it says it has a wonderful, refreshing scent. So I love using Epsom salt. If you've never tried the Dollar Tree's Epsom salt, I highly recommend it. I don't know what it's going to smell like. It doesn't say anything, so I will let you know. And then I've never seen these before, but my sister had just received some as a gift, and then I saw them at the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to see how they worked out. They are shower Fizzies, so I don't always take a bath. I don't always have time, but I do shower. And this one's eucalyptus and spearmint, and it comes with 4. I can kind of smell it outside of the box or the bag, and it smells kind of like gum, but I'll let you know how these work. There are 4, so if you just need an extra little treat when you're showering, you can use one of these, or I think these would be a great addition to a gift basket. And then last but not least, I bought these. They are the Fudge Mint cookies from the Oven Baked brand. Now, I have been looking for these for a month. Every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I look for them, and they'll have this brand, but not this cookie. Okay, I'm going to try these cookies. They're the Fudge Mint cookies from the Dollar Tree. Oven Baked is the brand. Sarah Jane from Chic on the Cheap swears by them and says that they are a complete dupe for Thin Mints, and I love Thin Mints. So this brand has other cookies too. They have like a marshmallow one. So it comes, there are 2 of these inside the box. And honestly, I should do more taste tests on YouTube. Have you seen mine and Robert's protein taste test video? That one was fun. Okay, so far they smell like mint. The first cookie I can see has, maybe they've melted a little. It's still summer. Oh, they've kind of melted. It's fine. They're melting in my fingers. Okay, here's the cookie. They smell very minty. Let's try it out. They're really good. So I was kind of hoping for chocolate in the middle. Is that a thing? I know that Winco has a Winco brand mint cookie, and they have chocolate on the inside, I think. Pick them up. They'd be great on s'mores if the chocolate wouldn't melt. Okay, last time we were at the Dollar Tree, Robert and we were in the cookie aisle because I was looking for these, and it was summer, so it was s'more season, and there was a lady there, and she was buying 20 boxes of the fudge striped cookies. My mother-in-law used to do that too. So you buy the fudge striped cookies, and then you roast your marshmallow, and you already have the chocolate and the graham, and that's how you eat your s'mores. And we kind of were eyeing her because I was looking for these cookies, and she was in the area getting the cookies, and so I was kind of looking at her to see what she was buying, and she said, "These are so good, and I have to buy so many for s'more season." So kudos to that lady. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Let me know in the comments which item you want to pick up from the Dollar Tree next time you are there. And I hope that you remember that you are amazing and you are loved. Bye. I can't take my mic off. I have so much melted chocolate on my fingers.